Please welcome our next presenter, CEO of 42 Entertainment, Susan Boggs, and TEA Lifetime Achievement Award recipient, Garner Holt.
When Henry Ford dreamed up the first automobile assembly lines, he could never imagine where his simple goal of efficient, semi-automated production would one day lead.
Today, sophisticated automated robots work alongside skilled human technicians to turn out more and better built Ford vehicles than ever before.
At Ford's Rouge, it is Rogue, but it is Rouge, factory tour in Dearborn, Michigan, the new manufacturing innovation exhibit is a glimpse into the range of technologies and processes needed to take a Ford all the way from an idea to a cool ride cruising down the highway.
Combining an absorbing soundtrack, theatrical lighting, robotics, and carefully choreographed projections, this experience distills the entire manufacturing process into a beautifully illustrated demonstration of technical storytelling prowess.
Best of all, it still has that new exhibit smell. This Thea Award of Achievement is presented to manufacturing innovation at the Ford Rouge Factory Tour.
Accepting the award for Ford Rouge Factory Tour are John Neilson, Senior Director, Museum and Attractions at the Henry Ford, and Cynthia Jones, Ford Rouge Factory Tour General Manager.
Thank you so much. It's a terrific honor to be here this evening with you. And honestly, it takes me back just a few months ago, a day much like today, except we were in Michigan and it was snowing, much like today when it snowed in Michigan. And I was in my office and I was approached by Cynthia Jones, the manager of the factory tour, and Christian Overland, Executive Vice President, and we were in my office discussing what we were going to do because Ford Motor Company had just announced a new F-150 truck, and we had an experience that we need to turn over in about 9 months. And we looked at one another and said, what are we going to do to solve this problem? Who can we call? We called Bob Rogers and Christian Lachel at BRC, and they made this happen for us in 9 months. It was an unbelievable undertaking with limited resources and not a lot of time. And so tonight, I'm very pleased to accept this award on behalf of the Henry Ford Motor Company and BRC. And I'd like to thank Bob Rogers, Christian Lachel, Philip Endelman, Edward Hodge, Chloe Sermani, Carmel Lewis, and Chris Pavlica, and Bob Rogers, along with the entire BRC team, Mary Culler, Brad Simmons, Doug Scott, and Eric Peterson from Ford Motor Company, and Patricia Moradian, Christian Overland, and Cynthia Jones from the Henry Ford. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yeah, I just wanted to, there were a couple of additional partners that worked with us from the TA, and I just want to make sure we acknowledge them in addition to the team. Great partner at AES, TechMD, and also Manny Treason and David Kneiper. So just wanted to do a big shout out to all of them. But thank you very much for now.